Welcome back. Today, we'll discuss why responsible machine learning is crucial. Responsible ML involves ensuring AI systems align with human ethics and social norms. This builds trust and confidence in AI models. Examples of AI's impact. For instance, AI is used in healthcare for diagnosing diseases, but without ethical oversight, it could lead to biased treatment recommendations. Similarly, AI in hiring processes can unfairly reject qualified candidates if not designed responsibly. Case study: OpenAI. OpenAI's models provide valuable tools for society, such as language translation and content creation. However, it's vital to ensure these tools don't reinforce harmful stereotypes or spread misinformation. Building trust. Trust is built when AI systems are transparent and fair. Responsible ML ensures AI systems are robust and reliable, providing valid results that align with human ethical judgments. Conclusion: understanding and implementing responsible ML is key to maximizing AI's benefits while minimizing its risks.